Replacing a door in your home is an excellent way to enhance curb appeal, improve security, and boost energy efficiency. Whether you are replacing an outdated entry door or installing new interior doors, it's crucial to avoid common mistakes that can lead to unnecessary costs, time delays, or installation problems. If you're a homeowner in Lafayette, here are some mistakes you should avoid when replacing your doors. Choosing the wrong door style. Selecting a door style that doesn't complement your home's architectural design can make your new door look out of place. Lafayette features a variety of home styles, from historic Victorian houses to modern ranch homes. When choosing a door, consider the style of your home. A traditional wood door may be perfect for a classic colonial home, while a sleek, modern steel door could be better suited to a contemporary design. Ensure that the door matches not just the exterior of your house but also the interior decor if it's an interior door. Ignoring energy efficiency. Lafayette experiences a variety of weather conditions, from chilly winters to hot and humid summers. Many homeowners make the mistake of installing doors that aren't energy efficient, which can lead to increased heating and cooling costs. Look for doors that have good insulation, such as those with core materials like polyurethane or polystyrene. Additionally, consider doors with energy-efficient ratings like the Energy Star label, which can help keep your home comfortable year-round and save you money on energy bills. Overlooking door size. Not measuring your door frame properly is a critical mistake that can lead to fitting issues during installation. It's important to ensure the new door matches the exact size of the frame. If the door is too large or too small, you may face costly adjustments or poor performance, such as drafts or security issues. Always double-check your measurements or consult a professional to ensure the new door fits perfectly within the frame. Neglecting to upgrade hardware. When replacing your door, the hardware, such as hinges, locks, and handles, should not be overlooked. Using old, outdated hardware may affect the door's performance and security. Lafayette homeowners, especially those in older neighborhoods, should ensure that their hardware is up to date and reliable. Opt for high-quality locks and sturdy hinges, as these small elements contribute significantly to the door's functionality and overall look. Skipping professional installation. While DIY projects can be fulfilling, replacing a door is one task best left to professionals. A door that is not installed properly can create various issues, from drafty areas to security concerns. For example, a poorly sealed door may allow moisture and insects to enter, causing long-term damage to your home. A professional installer will ensure the door is hung correctly, sealed properly, and aligned for smooth operation. In Lafayette, where weather conditions can be extreme, proper installation is essential for maximizing the door's lifespan. Choosing a door with poor durability. Some homeowners prioritize cost over durability, opting for doors made from lower quality materials. While these doors may seem like a budget-friendly option, they may not stand up well over time, especially in the variable weather conditions of Lafayette. For example, fiberglass or steel doors tend to offer better durability and security than traditional wood doors, which may warp or crack over time. It's important to choose a door that will withstand the elements and provide long-term value. Ignoring curb appeal. A new door can significantly impact the curb appeal of your home, but it can also backfire if not chosen wisely. Lafayette is a city known for its beautiful homes and well-kept properties. Replacing your front door with one that clashes with your home's aesthetic can detract from its overall appeal. Instead of opting for something that's purely functional, think about how the door will enhance the exterior design. Adding a stylish door with decorative glass panels, a rich wood finish, or a bold color can increase your home's attractiveness and even its market value. Forgetting to consider long-term maintenance. Another mistake to avoid is not thinking about the long-term maintenance requirements of your new door. Certain materials, such as wood, require more frequent maintenance to keep them looking good and functioning well. If you live in an area with high humidity or rain, a door that needs frequent repainting or sealing might not be the best choice. On the other hand, fiberglass or steel doors typically require less upkeep. Make sure you choose a door that fits not only your immediate needs but also your long-term maintenance preferences. Conclusion. Replacing a door is a smart home improvement that can enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your home in Lafayette. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as choosing the wrong door style, neglecting energy efficiency, and skipping professional installation, you can ensure that your new door serves its purpose for years to come. Take your time to select the right door, measure accurately, and work with professionals to get the best results. With the right choice, your new door will offer enhanced security, better energy efficiency, and increased curb appeal for your Lafayette home.